Then I pulled out this fun Latin Floral Transfer. Check out these vibrant colors. I thought it would pair perfectly with the Yellowstone. To apply transfers onto glass is really simple. You just pull off the backing. You place the transfer exactly where you want it to be. So I placed it on the glass panel and I just eyeballed it, making sure it was centered nicely. Once I had it in place, I used my hands to adhere it to the glass. And then using the applicator that comes in the tube with the transfer, I started rubbing it onto the glass. I find it easier to hold up part of the Mylar sheet and then rub with the applicator and kind of pull at the same time. I hope that makes sense. And then I just keep on double checking that everything is adhering 100%. If you find that you're pulling it up and a little piece is not adhering, you can just put that sheet right back down, lay it right back down and start rubbing a little bit more and it'll come off perfectly. And check this out. Doesn't it look good on the glass? I think it looks awesome. Now, someone on the SI blog asked me how you would clean this if you put a transfer on top of glass. As I mentioned, I am not going to be selling this set, and a table is a high traffic item unless you're going to use it just to house a plant or some sort of knickknack on top. But if you're actually planning on using it as a side table and to put, say, a wet glass on top of it or some hot plates, I would not suggest using transfers on high traffic items. If it's a mirror, that's perfectly fine because that's decoration. If it's a table that will be a little decor table and you're not going to be using it so much, that's all right as well. But if you're going to be using a transfer on a high traffic table that is going to need a wipe down every day, I do not suggest doing this. Someone also asked me what I would use to top coat this transfer on the glass. And when you're putting a transfer either on glass or mirror, it is not recommended that you top coat it at all. And to clean it for a decor piece, you would just take a soft damp cloth and give it a light wipe down. Or you could put a tiny little bit of Windex or window cleaner onto your cloth and give it a soft rub down as well. This works very well to clean decor pieces. I went ahead and I added a transfer to the other glass insert. And once I had the second one all placed and rubbed on, it was time to see what these glass inserts looked like in the table. These are just so darn cheery and cute.